Legacy offers an easy, affordable way to test and freeze your sperm from the comfort of home. Here's how it works. First, choose your bundle and place your order online. Legacy lets you test and freeze on your terms. No need for a prescription or a doctor's order. Your kit will arrive in discreet packaging in just a few days. From there, follow the instructions to produce your sample at home, combine it with the sperm transport liquid, and ship it back to our lab. The transport liquid is an FDA-approved solution that maintains the health of the sperm for overnight shipping. Once your kit arrives at the lab, your sample will be opened and immediately labeled with your unique client ID. Next, the sample will be spun in a piece of lab equipment called a centrifuge. This separates the sperm from the semen, the fluid that carries sperm. Once the sperm is concentrated, the lab scientists will load a slide containing a portion of the sample into the computer-assisted semen analysis system. The CASA system will report on sperm count, concentration, and motility, the percentage of sperm that are swimming. Sperm morphology, the size and shape of sperm, and DNA fragmentation are both evaluated manually by an andrology scientist using a high-powered microscope. You'll receive the results of your analysis within 48 hours via your digital client dashboard. Our report contains not only your numbers, but what they mean for you and for your family building options, plus individual guidance on improving and preserving your sperm health. After the sample has been analyzed, lab scientists will add cryoprotectant, a solution that prevents ice from forming within the sperm. Then the sperm is brought down to a very low temperature, -196°C, using liquid nitrogen. At this temperature, all biological activity within the cell is paused, and it's able to stay frozen indefinitely without aging. Sperm frozen for up to 40 years have been used to create healthy babies. We reserve a small portion of your sample to freeze and then thaw to conduct a post-thaw analysis. This test ensures your sperm survive freezing. Legacy is the only at-home sperm freezing option that provides post-thaw analysis. Finally, your sample is moved to long-term cryo storage in liquid nitrogen tanks to maintain that -196°C temperature. Legacy's cryo storage facilities are monitored 24 hours a day, are highly secure, and have multiple redundancy plans in place to prevent breaches of security or scientific integrity. Legacy is the only sperm freezing service that uses multi-site storage to mitigate any risk. That means we divide your vials into 2 batches and ship them to separate storage facilities. This redundancy ensures your sperm will be safe and ready to use whenever you need. From checkout to lab in less than a week, and your future fertility is secured.